flame locks into a wondrous blue. Her red Ford roars as she leaves the town, bringing hair magic to her reads each round. For ladies, for gents, for kids so fair, her art creates style beyond compare. A queen of hair with flair so bright, chats and laughs making everyday light. From cuts to curls she sets the trend, her magic and charm know no end. In her salon, laughter fills the air, tales and giggles mixed with skills so rare. On the road she rides, always on the go, spreading smiles and beauty wherever she may flow. Her husband and son stand proud by her side, their love and pride in her craft cannot hide. No matter the challenge, she's always there, a burst of color and style beyond compare. Her red queen of hair with flair so bright, chats and laughs making every day light. From cuts to curls she sets the trend, her magic and charm know no end. In her salon, laughter fills the air, tales and giggles mixed with skills so rare. On the road she rides, always on the go, spreading smiles and beauty wherever she may flow. Husband and son stand proud, legend will last, a joyful tale of beauty unsurpassed. Ania's hair magic, bold and ever true, a celebration of life in every hue. In Canopisca's heart, her legend will last, a joyful tale of beauty unsurpassed. Ania's hair magic, bold and ever true, a celebration of life in every hue. In Canopisca's heart, her legend will last, a joyful tale of beauty unsurpassed. Ania's hair magic, bold and ever true, a celebration of life in every hue. Every hue.
Yo, K. Yo, listen up, I'ma take you way back to the time of gods, where a donkey got the mic, now that's kinda odd. Dionysus, drunk, looking for some fun, said let this donkey speak, like the dude's a son. Gifted gab, now the beast got a voice. Didn't think nobody, he made his own choice. He seen the gods boast, flexing their might. Thought, why not me? I could put up a fight. Years in the vineyards, carrying grapes in the sun. Now he's talking, feeling like he's second to none. Watching God stun, flexing their powers. He's like, hold up, I could grab my moment this hour.
It's a donkey speaking loud, trying to claim his spot. But the gods don't play, man, they're taking their shot. You challenge a god, you better come strapped, cause the wrath of the heavens, man, it don't retract. Yo, hubris will take you far, but you'll pay the cost. In the stars you'll be shine, but man, you'll get lost.
So there's a feast, wine flowing like it's nothing. Donkey's feeling himself, yo, he's starting something. Priapus walks in, god of fertility. Big man on the block, talking virility. Donkey brays out, let's have a showdown. We'll see who's packing more, I'm taking you down. The gods laugh hard like this can't be real, but Dionysus says, let's make it a deal. Priapus smirks, you really wanna try? Alright, lil donkey, let's see who can fly. They stood face to face, crowd ready to see who's got the bigger manhood, who holds the key.
Yo, the donkey's talking big, thinking he's the king. But the gods ain't joking, they bring in the sting. Step to a god, you better be ready, cause their judgment hits hard, ain't nothing steady. Try to lift you up, but it'll break you down. You'll shine in the stars, but you'll fade out the crown.
Contest starts, Priapus wins in a flash. Donkey stands up like he didn't just crash. He's mad, pride hurt, man, he's screaming unfair. I'd pick better judges, I'd win anywhere. But Priapus ain't playing, yo, he's seeing red. Takes his club, one swing, now the donkey's dead. The gods fall quiet, no more jokes in the room. Even Dionysus feeling that doom. But he ain't cold, so he lifts up the soul. Put the donkey in the sky, now he's taking a stroll. Among the stars, he's forever in space. But remember that pride, cause it fell from grace.
It's a donkey talking big, thinking he's on top. But the gods ain't laughing, they're ready to drop. You step to a god, better bring some heat, cause their vengeance hits hard, knock you off your feet. Yeah, pride will lift you high, but the fall is steep. Up in the sky you'll shine, but you'll never sleep.
So next time you think you can take on the gods, remember the donkey who went against the odds. Hubris is real, it'll bring you down fast. You might reach for the stars, but that shine won't last. Now look up, see the donkey in the sky. He's there forever, but we know why.
Vulkanwächter steht still in der Nacht. Ornamente glänzen, alles erwacht. Ein Kurier bringt Geschichten uns hierher. Magnesium, Funken tanzen umher. Eiskerle bewahren 1000 Jahre eine Pause. In der Zeit das ganz wahre Maskeraden verbergen wahren Schein. Schriftrollen flüstern Geheimnisse fein. Opus der Erde singt ihre Lieder. Feuer tanzt hoch und klettert immer wieder. In der Asche der Himmel erstrahlt. Ein Zyklus, der ständig mit dem Leben bezahlt. Vulkanwächter, schütze deine Glut. Ornamente sprechen Worte so gut. Kurier, reise weiter, nimm nichts mit. Magnesiumblitz entzündet das Licht. Eiskerne Stab. Opus der Erde singt ihre Lieder, feuert Angst hoch und klettert immer wieder. In der Asche der Himmel erstrahlt, ein Zyklus, der ständig mit dem Leben bezahlt. Der Himmel erstrahlt, ein Zyklus, der ständig mit dem Leben bezahlt. Opus der Erde singt ihre Lieder, Feuer tanzt hoch und klettert immer wieder. In der Asche der Himmel erstrahlt, ein Zyklus, der ständig mit dem Leben bezahlt.